I think you're about community of Black Stars now. Concerns kakra man for so raised based on Benjamin Asare coming. Matake no kakra. But before that, I mean I think say you were 1 or 2 players beer and they match no coming. Or match and this international break no match at least with time they can just come into the national team and perform well. And the striker at Accra Bone the Prince Edu Kwabena Kwame, what he's shown today clearly if see a manimra Kwame na ye man sa encouragement na I think say in the near future Kwame we can get a striker Yariache because ohenia ene oye game ni mu the composure the runs the confidence on the ball Kwame actually say any strikers are Kwame ye lucky e wani mu ho no with time see prepare ye near man time near man sa confidence na Kwame me gidi say any obetima be bi going forward because and there's a unya adaje hwe ni din a hwe go a o share gi offside how many of our strikers Kwame and e benya sa composure and impose ene wadru eye 18 yard box akoni goalkeeper hwe how is ifa damn goalkeeper na Kwame the ball no to net especially aside the first time wonya ahead the starting lineup for Ghana Black Stars Kwame no more assessed performance. I believe that your man make kakra na meaning say Inaki Williams mo Kwame they are fading out from a national team in the near future to come. Oh say meaning say after World Cup no nipa nim bi kakra be free team
Opamom
me pamom but near course no that is how I feel sana me wunioma
then e course
oh Kwame
say me nim na me bisa
okay who share Inaki Williams mun na say no we dey say wa me enko World Cup no bra after World Cup we
pamom
enye me na me pamom but with time no wan kasa be hu say enyo ma be da no national teams need to come and again Abrantia friend Kamadi Sulemana I think that Kwame one may such performance and it's high time he should work on his final decisions Kwame share one particular player anytime biano you can see a man time when your opportunity for so many times our national team no Kwame I believe that I was so working extra hard any finishings the final decisions Kwame I think say a idea have Branton because share anytime biana obenya opportunity into our national team no and as into our setup na Kwame you could feel say do final third one ma na the decision no Kwame a problem and you see when you compare only City player Dokua I think virtually na omumienu nyina ya the crew but now you could see Doku improving. This is what said the performance no Kwame was adding a lot to the performance based on any final decisions so I'm just hoping say Abrantia friend Kamadi Sulemana Kwame or be working on that going forward or final decisions Kwame I contribute to a lot not I had a lot to final third one so Kwame so I think so I'm just hoping say or be working on that now going forward and normal itimi akoso ediamai. And again, a branch here friend Akosisibo Kwame. You see, Osha previous matches of Benya boys how to qualify on your opportunity or boy the mine Kwame. Osha this international breaker in Osaba back in Kwame. I believe say Osha ni dia now the distribution game Kwame. Ono susuno adi we improve kakra because and so nya da je ni dia how I know see for a dispute ball no how no see ball a game pass no Kwame. Tells you that and they also working on something that not unlucky or your previous games or being opportunity at the mind. So I'm just hoping say guys nankasa what is at stake na Kwame going forward or my working on sa and no bia na or more like and these are one of those matches that Kwame ubet me at the edge so I working on sa mistakes so yeah more no so about say Kwame ne ono so no any opportunity or juma from kuna wama ye fifth one so no Kwame wa add a lot to a midfield one Abrantia friend right back Ali Dusedu Kwame I believe that right back.
Right back.
Yes.
Say Kalimbianchi no Otimi Boho.
No, but you see, Kalimbianchi, yes, Otimi Boho, but any natural position who.
And then not born in the position.
So Oba at least or my performance are okay. Kwame the right back ade biao. Performance at least okay. Oche de Ali di so edmu ye ndia. Caleb ebe shawon ma or my okay performance. But Kwame unlike Obia or full back ankasa ejema at least obo game no boniye because the already said the Kwame, I believe that, and I was say Kwame Obeka Okwana on free bench on your support. I mean, I was see a pair right back. Kwame, it's high time was see a city up near Shisan Yomamu. Ali said it too now all but the man Kwame. I don't believe say the best. And again, Uncle Kano Kwame, because they say obi your opportunity Kwame. No baby shon kwa. Now say cut off from national team no come. So I believe that I will see a team pair right back. Your team going forward. And I mean yechi honswa. Kwame do musu beya no moye no Abranti FN Jonas Ajete. I think so no the performance no we have opportunity on sunya wo qualifiers ni with games we are Kwame. I think say gradually guys no it be wo they are improving on how I know Musifa both games no. So I think a World Cup season and these guys will be up a person when you have the opportunity to go and play at the highest level. So beginning sure Manka sending what is at stake on working towards that. And again, a year national team goalkeeper Kwame. I've seen a lot of people, I mean, making a whole lot of stuff Kwame. Why is it that a Drew Benjamin Asare so every match ye nyang crofo bebre ma omo form penny paper e calculating whatever he is doing. Kwame, and my young take care of ne because these guys are or my best kind of me Kwame. Goals are Benjamin Asare and concede performance on modern mind Kwame compared to these guys are free so one Kwame difference on me a day. And now you could see say the win ratio no I was saying sad guys on Kwame or Mutinechi. He all prove from all angles. And opportunity Kwame, will be right up be our Kwame. Very sad.
About goalkeeper.
Just look at say what save penalty. Say I mean penalty there will be a bet me actually pair. No, you can't say that. Yeah, sir. Then you will be ball fanching a penalty will be a buff and you account because a goalkeeper na save. But we shouldn't be doing that. Kwame, omo ye outside Ghana for outside I mean local singer omo perform man na Kwame. Omo nye de omo ba. Ye who performance omo de mai. They've been conceding goals here and there. They've been losing matches. Benjamin Asare be there muno irrespective of Kwame me, I still believe that we need a better goalkeeper. Yes, personally, I believe see you have better goalkeeper. You here will be or upgrade on Benjamin Asare.
I see you will be.
Kwame, so that is the point. Now currently, why now Kwakofani say or make Jemu Fensi account from Ghana? Currently as we speak, why? Why?
And go for I go South Africa if any say.
Oh, Richard Ofori. No, look, I see a man call up or very or be decline you.
And you credit. And you credit.
Go ahead. Then you saw the bar. So I say, well, go interview. Say, I mean,
okay, friend.
I'm going back. We say, I'm say, on retirement from national duty. No, I mean, we say, now, make I just Kwame. Public law, man, no retire from a national team.
Oh, no merit.
Now, already, I mean, I don't see a body down here. Timemubano Ghana for Dona Bako protest, and drop you. So, Kwame, me just said now, you need goalkeeper be baby. And you see, Benjamin Asare show until say your trust analysis Kwame. Yes, study the oya. So until you improvement our Benjamin Asare more now. Compare your first game, by your second game, third game, Kwame. Matches are what then Kwame. Unless you don't want to be real. Until you papa so much as more improvement to Benjamin Asare mo. Irrespective of where you belong. Let's face the reality. Kwame atisi gimuni manafo omo watching. O madam yenwo. They've been losing games. They've been conceding goals. So why now? Adana currently Abranti no yem fasa. I mean confidence no man no under game no for my.
Okay.
Highest stage in there, Kwame. When free baby, I don't do baby. Yenya players baby. Omako yenya omu debut Kwame omababo ni ye ensida. So why don't we give the same support to Benjamin Asare? Because now ye pro Kwame. He is our man. Obi any honum se obi any honuma odini betu Benjamin Asare. Obi any ho. Now you could see improvement on the game. Now there how I say Osifa e bobo ni bu e chiro ma passes we chiro no. what getting confidence na way so you pushing no work extra hard ni enya isa ya twu esan ya twu enko ba bia ye ni ankasa na ye ho so come de woni ye monpa say with time no be koye na afei ya hwese guys no e be stay fit na ne e be ye bia akoso e de amomo ni enya isa backbiting ni we I say no basa emwa so I believe that Benjamin Asare Kwame is also doing well. Yes, me enya goalkeeper bi obro no so at least Kwame many beji but currently yeah dey your po he's our number one near beya ni say at least the savior Benjamin Asare this support to be man now for that
the savior be show
Kwame na say no ye there now share I mean now when was the last time a player or Ghana Premier League goalkeeper e ko save penalty nipa krobo EPL Kwame and Katimi off
Doctor na Kwame Eduna spiritual